Hello everyone, welcome to my galaxy. I'm Grapes Pakara and I want to become a licensed real estate broker. Today we are going to review the lessons like a question and answer portion. These questions will help us refresh what we've learned from the class. After some time, let's answer these questions again to see if we still remember it. We have 15 seconds to answer the questions. Write your answer in a piece of paper and I will reveal the correct answer after the video. Guys, naisipan kong gawin to kasi nung nakita ko sa Pinterest, paano mag-practice sa board exam. So, the tip dun sa Pinterest is gumawa ka ng questions, sagutan mo, and then after some time, like maybe a month from now, 2 months, or after a year from now, let's try to answer these questions again to review if alam pa ba natin yung questions. So, let's go! So, how was it with your first question and answer portion for the real estate management student review? Di ba ang taas? So, how was it, guys? Write your answers down below. Masyado bang mabilis yung timer? And let's go. Let's try to answer. I'm going to show you the answer for number 1. Of course, that program was Bachelor of Science in Real Estate Management. This was JED CMO 28 program description. So, mataas pa yung program description. Basahin nyo na lang din. For answer number 2, real estate industry used to be under the Department of Trade and Industry. So before 2010, ngayon is a multiple choice under question number 3 under Professional Regulation Commission or PRC. 4, it was the mandate of PD 957 Subdivision and Condominium Buyers Protective Decree na the practitioner still needed to be registered with the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development. So, sa PRC and registered din sa DS or DSUD. Number 5, yun na, the passage of RA number. Ewan ko lang if lalabas sa exam. Yung mga RA number. Medyo ano ko sa exam. Traumatized. So, passage number RA 9646 or the Real Estate Service Act of the Philippines saw the modernization and the professionalization of the industry. Six, Number 6 is the professions, career, and occupation in the real estate industry. So, yung entry point ng most practitioner is the salesperson. So, walang requirement na exam, at least 2 years in college. Salesperson will be under the broker. Real estate naman, broker, real estate assessor, appraiser, and consultant. I-review niyo na yun. Next is the board. Ano yung tawag sa BSREM is Board Licensure Examination for Real Estate Broker. Then, ito po yung subject coverage ng BSREM. Kailangan ko pa ba itong i-study kasi nung midterms namin, may mga mali ako doon. Hindi ko siya na-review. So, ito yun. 25% general. Basahin nyo na lang. And, ang ating head ng BSREM, sila yung parang head ng paggawa ng questions and answer portions. Si Ma'am Honorable Ophelia Binag. So, I guess that's it for today, guys. I'm sorry if the quality of my question and answer portion is still hard. Real estate, I was trying to do this like a pageant type of question. Ang hirap pala pag mayroong facts kaysa sa opinions lang. So, I hope you enjoy and I hope you learn. And let's try to answer this question and answer portion maybe a month from now during, I don't know. If you have some time and gusto nyo mag-refresh ng inyong natutunan, let's answer this. Thank you so much and let's connect in my comment section below. Tell us your ideas or your suggestion or comments and how was it. And I will continue to learn from you and improve them, guys. Thank you so much and daghang salamat.